Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have a unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I know what you're thinking. Lauren, you don't like Louis Vuitton. You've shaded them so many times. I love their SLGs. I've always been a fan, and this is something that has been on my wish list. I did pick this up, I think 3 years ago actually, but it was for my friend. But I've wanted it ever since. So let's unbox it. I did go in store for this, which is also really shocking because I tend to not want, oh! I got a little perfume sample. That's cute. Okay, well, look at that later. I haven't even looked at this. But yeah, I went in store, and I rarely go in store just because I don't like dealing with the CAs or just the pressure I get because I typically only buy smaller goods and I don't know how they're gonna treat me. I don't know, it's a strange feeling. Let me know if you also feel the same about shopping in store, especially in luxury stores. Just I feel like there's too much pressure, and I don't want to be treated poorly, which is so sad to say. But anyway, this piece has been going viral on TikTok, and I'll talk about that in a second, but it is selling out. I was on Reddit and I was looking at just reviews on this, and people were saying in Italy it's like completely gone. This was 2 weeks ago though. Like, if you managed to get one, good for you, because now they're completely sold out. Let me just get into it. I'll tell you all about the TikTok drama and everything. Anyway, so let's undo this. I hate ruining the bow, so I'm gonna try and just slide the ribbon over, but here we go. I ended up picking up the passport holder in the monogram Eclipse. This is what I wanted. This is actually the exact same one that I bought my friend a couple of years ago. I don't know what the price difference was. I feel like now it is priced at, oh, the person's name's here. Okay, I'll talk about that in a moment. Price in Canada is $470, and then with taxes as well. So, and that is just for the canvas version. I know that there are special editions and it comes in different types of leathers and so on and so forth, and that will increase the price. But in particular, I really wanted this monogram Eclipse. The person helping me, which I have his name here, was on the receipt. His name is Curtis Mori, and he's the store director. Oh, so he's not a C. I wonder if that's different from a client advisor. It must be. He must have more responsibilities. Lovely person. And he had said that there was only 2 of these in the actual store. So I'm really happy that I managed to get this because this is the color that I wanted. And the 2 that I looked at, this was the better one. This one is made in France. Both of them were made in France, but the other one was rubbing off there. So I'm really happy that I got this. But when he was pulling it out, he goes, you know, just to let you know, I know all over TikTok right now people are saying that you can get it hot stamped in multiple different, you know, countries, and you can get tons of different hot stamps. That is a lie. He's like, I just want you to know that you can only get one. And I had seen it on TikTok, and I think that's why these are selling out like crazy, because everybody wants to go to the different stores when they travel and get the different stamps. So from what he was saying, you could only get 1 hot stamp is what Louis Vuitton is changing it to. So let me know if you know anything different, but that is what he told me. He did ask me if I wanted to hot stamp this, and I said no, because my initials are LV. So I just thought that would look silly getting my initials LV there, you know, when this basically has my initials all over it. So I told him no. Just in general, I didn't want it done in case I ever want to sell this, but I feel like I never will anyway. If you've never seen the passport holder up close, you can see that it does have 4 card slots there, then another slot here, as well as 2 slots. Oh, what's that? Oh, just the code here to put your passport or to put your boarding pass or other sort of documents in. Like I said, I'm going to put both my husband and my passport in one side. I'll probably put, well, now online I feel like you can check in online, so you don't really need your boarding passes. Anyway, I could also put money in here too, since we are going to be traveling in this different currency. You could put your ID and cards here. The only issue is if you are just using this by itself, when you're traveling and putting in your documents and your cards and your money. If you lose this, you're just like really out of luck. So I'm gonna definitely take another small SLG. I did want to show you this size as well, the comparison, because someone had asked me if a passport would fit in this little pocket organizer, which it will not. You can see the size difference between the two. There is quite a difference. I really love the pocket organizer. One of my new favorite SLGs. I just feel like it's so slim and so streamlined, and it can really hold a lot of cards. So if I just compare the two kind of really quickly, you can see the inside here is a little bit similar to the inside of the pocket organizer there. It has very, let me hold it a little bit different. It has very similar card slots and that little slip pocket there that's sort of angled. So you could, if you wanted to, you could use this as a wallet. It would just be bigger. Like this definitely can't fit into your pocket. This would fit into a purse really nicely because the designs are very similar. But it just be a little bit bigger. This one also has a little bit more structure to this. This one is a little bit floppier. It's hard to demonstrate, but I can feel the difference. This one just kind of is a bit more malleable, whereas this one has a bit more structure to it because this is meant to be a small wallet and this is just meant to hold passports. But there is about a little bit of a price difference between the two. So if you did want to have something that is multifunctional, so you could use this as a passport holder as well as a wallet on the daily, you could definitely do that. I mean, money would fit in really easy in this one, but it's just a little bit bigger, as you can see. So I did want to touch on that since somebody had asked me about whether a passport would fit in here. So, I mean, I'm really happy that I have this. Like I said, I don't know if it's a necessity just because it's something that you don't use every day, but I am happy to add this to my collection, and I think the monogram is gorgeous. It's one of my favorites. I only have one other, I can reach and grab it, monogram eclipse piece, which is also from the men's side. I wish they started making women's pieces with the monogram eclipse, just because I think it's beautiful and it wears really well. And as someone that likes a lot of black accessories as well as handbags, I just wish they would make some pieces in this. But let me smell this perfume really quickly because I didn't even know that he threw that in there, which is so nice of him. It's called City of Stars Eau de Parfum. So this must be unisex, I'm assuming, but maybe not. I didn't research this. Oh, the bottle's cute. I wonder if the bottle is like this. I have bought some perfumes in the past from Louis Vuitton. I bought a little miniature set that had 5 or so different fragrances, but I haven't smelled anything from them in a while. So let's see what this smells like. Maybe I'll wear it today. I'm meeting up with a friend very soon. Oh. It's floral, but also, I don't know anything about these notes. I don't even know. Hopefully this is unisex, but it does. It smells like floral, but also kind of citrusy. I'll put the note somewhere here, but this smells really nice. It smells really good. It smells like something familiar from my childhood, but I can't put my hands on it. So this is, like I said, City of Stars, and it's in a cute little bottle. So I'm happy to have this. I really appreciate that. So if I do get anything, again, I will message him because, like I said, he was so nice. Okay, no joke, this smells so good. I just keep getting little whiffs of it, and it's unlike anything I've smelled before, but it brings me back to something in my childhood. I have to look into this perfume more. Okay, let me focus because all I can do is smell. But I will recommend Curtis. He was so nice. So if you are in Vancouver and you want to get something from the men's side, you can reach out to him. He does work at the Holt Renfrew. Let me know about what you think about my new piece. Do you have this? Do you use it? Do you think it's worth it? I mean, for me, I know I'm going to use this. I'm going to have it for years to come. And it's just something, you know, to keep me organized. I'll always say that Louis Vuitton SLGs are amazing because they wear really long and they keep me organized, especially in bigger bags. I am going to be using I did show it, but if you didn't see that video, I am going to be using my Longchamp when I travel. So it is really big and things can get lost. So I just feel like putting my passport and other important documents in this. It's just going to help to keep me a little bit more organized. So I'd love to know your thoughts on my new piece, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!